Meaning of disperse.
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 Disperse. The word disperse means to scatter or distribute something in different directions, usually referring to a group of people or objects. The result of dispersing can vary depending on the context, but generally, it leads to a reduction in the concentration or density of the dispersed items. For example, a crowd dispersing after a protest means the people are gradually leaving and spreading out in different directions, causing the crowd to become less dense. In chemistry, dispersing a substance in a liquid means breaking it down into smaller particles, resulting in a more evenly distributed mixture.